Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an iGirl bundle unboxing. If you don't know who iGirl is, or aka Bella or Internet Girl, she's a depopper slash YouTuber who does these really cool personalized like style boxes where you ask her for an outfit and give her your measurements. I did the bod bundle, which is without shoes, so it's a little cheaper. I think it was around $140 ish. I don't know. I'll put all the info in the description box. But yeah, it came in the mail today, this morning, and I've been waiting all day to open it. I'm so excited. The style I asked her for was a Jackie Burkhart, that 70s show type of look, like grunge, girly, preppy, sort of, you know, you get what I'm saying. I told her I really like mini skirts and I really like flare pants and I like plaids and florals. I would read you what I said to her, but I'm stupid and I realized I'm filming with my phone and I can't look at my phone. I'm so excited and like nervous that I can't remember everything I'm supposed to say, so anything I'm like forgetting I'm going to put in the description. And yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, here it all is. So the first thing I see is a cute letter. I'm gonna read that last. I think that's what everyone does. Okay, we're in. First thing I have are, ooh, sunglasses. They're blue, I can already tell. Oh my god. They're so, okay, so let me compose myself. These super cute glasses. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror to try them on. They have this cute little like rhinestone heart. I'm dying. Oh my god. I'm never much of like a glasses girl, but I would wear these. These are very... Sorry, I'm gonna be looking in the mirror this whole time. I hope that doesn't bother you. First item, these really cute glasses. I love these a lot, actually. These are awesome. And the iGirl, I forget what all her like jewelry, she designs jewelry too, so like I forget what they're all called, but I believe these are like the, maybe they're just called the iGirl earrings, I don't know. They're like cute little hearts. They say, please return to heaven. That's really, really cute. I like that a lot. Okay, next. I'm not gonna read the letter yet, as much as I want to. I'm dying to read the letter. Oh my god, everything came out everywhere. Okay, okay. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff. Oh my god, okay. This is adorable. This is very 70s. Like I said, I asked for like that 70s show type of look, because I feel like that's kind of my, I don't know, that's kind of like my style inspiration just on a daily basis. So lots of cute like 70s-esque type of things, like tattoo choker and this cute little like ball chain necklace with this like very hippy dippy looking charm. I like it a lot. Very cute. And oh my god, this one's like the iGirl pendant, I believe. And this one I think is the She Devil pendant. I'm gonna be so embarrassed if I'm saying this all wrong. Look at them. Yeah, super cute. Okay, love. And oh, I missed some things. Okay, we have a cute postcard with all her socials. A cute pic. I love it. And some really cute clips. I love clips. These are adorable. These are plaid. I'm obsessed. These are perfect. Okay. And again, oh, and an iGirl stickle. Stickle? An iGirl sticker. Okay, and I'm keeping the letter over here. I'm not gonna look at it, even though I want to. Oh my god. Okay, there's a few things. There's a few things. First thing. Oh my god. It's a jumpsuit. This is actually exactly what I envisioned when I like asked for, because she has like example pictures and there's one that's like 90s to 70s and that's kind of like the vibe I was going for, and she's wearing like something exactly like this in that picture. And that was exactly what I was thinking of. And I'm obsessed. Oh my god, it's all like embroidered. It's so cute. Okay, it's by Le Chateau. Thank you. I love you. Next, she gave me more things. That's so awesome. This super cute butterfly. Sorry, I have to look in the mirror. I can't help. It's like a muscle tee type of look. I adore it. So cute. And lastly, oh my god, those are so good. I love these. And they're flares, just like I asked for. She's like Santa Claus. Oh, I get to read the letter now. I'm so excited. Hi, Lovebug. I was beyond stoked to style this custom look for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I'd pull it together from head to toe. To accessorize, I included the iconic iGirl pendant and the beaded tattoo choker you can stack up together, and the iGirl studs, plus those diamante detail sunnies, and the final touch, those brand spanking new, old stock glittery hair clips. I would pair these accessories with the first look option, or the she-devil pendant stacked up with a dead stock retro gummy. Can you tell I'm like winded and excited? Or the she-devil pendant stacked up with the dead stock retro gummy charm ball chain necklace, and I would snap on those plaid hair clips for the jumpsuit look option. For your bod, I gave you two options. One, pop on that adorable butterfly tank top. It was giving me major Jackie Burkhart realness. It's a super curve hugging little number that will be super flattering. Paired with those jumbo buckle detail jeans. You told me in your depop PMs that you love flare pants, so I felt you would 100% swoon over this badass pair. You are correct. I did swoon. Did you peep the brand name on those? Angels, Hard Eyes. Yes, I did. Or number two, I included my fave 90s to 70s jumpsuit ever. This jumpsuit is by Le Chateau back in the day. Adjust the pieces to you along the back. You also mentioned that you love vintage florals, and this is covered in the most adorable embroidery that I knew you'd adore. I would complete the look with some platform booties or white Air Force Ones. Thank you for trusting in my creativity, and I hope you enjoy the fit, because I'm 100% obsessed with it. Eternal love, Bella. My heart is so full. Oh my god, this was like the coolest thing ever. Like, I would 100% buy another one. Oh my god! I forgot something. A cute little, that's so cute. Am I missing anything else? I almost like totally missed this. This is so cute. It's like this little floral ring. And with like a groovy, like flower power-esque. I'm gonna wear this like every day. As I was saying, obviously I've heard like mixed reviews about her bundles, but like I think I would say like 100% go for it. Like, to me, the whole excitement of like waiting for your bundle is worth every penny. Even if you end up not liking the clothes, it's like just the whole idea of like someone did that for you and like personalized something to your exact taste is like crazy. Anyway, thank you, Bella. If you're watching this, I hope you are. That would be like really cool. I'll link everything below. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you probably know who iGirl is, so like I don't have to like tell you to go follow her, but if you don't know who she is, I'm gonna link it below. I'm a happy camper. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Watch my other videos if you'd like. And I love you. Bye, friends.